Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and do you hate making a trip to the mall just so you can get your glasses or your jewelry cleaned? Well, no more. We said enough. We decided we were going to get our own ultrasonic cleaner by Magnasonic. We love this little thing. We have a tiny bathroom with very little counter space, and it doesn't take up more space than a hairbrush. I really am impressed with everything that it can clean. I was just going to use it for glasses and my ring, but then I read that you can use it to clean your electric razor heads, you can clean your waterproof watches, you can clean reusable toothbrush heads if you need to. There are so many possibilities, but you do want to make sure not to put your mother's pearls in there because they are too soft for it. Now you can set a timer on here. It goes anywhere from 90 to 480 seconds, just depending on how grimy it is, what you want to get clean. But either way, it's clean within a matter of minutes. It does have a low buzzing noise as it runs. It's very quiet, not loud at all, so it's not much to put up with for just a few minutes. We've really enjoyed adding this accessory to our home. It fits right in and it has saved us trips to the dreaded mall. Save yourself a trip to the mall and get yourself an ultrasonic cleaner by Magnasonic. That's just my point of view.